Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore old plastics to new using something kind of fun. A blowtorch. And we're going to be freshening up with this piece of plastic. This is the lid to my hose reel. Ignore my RO system there, it's for the aquarium. But this thing has been sun faded, and what we're doing is we're going to take the torch and gently go over the entire surface. Now before you do this, you do want to do a little test piece to make sure it's going to work on the plastic that you're working on. Be sure to do it in a well-ventilated area, so don't be doing this inside your house. Now what this is doing is actually taking the oils and bringing them back up to the surface. So this isn't a permanent fix. You will have to do this again from time to time, but it will make your stuff look a lot better. Now I'm using a standard propane torch. It runs off of a camping bottle. I do have a link for these down in the description below if you want to check them out, but you can pick these up at pretty much any hardware store. The key is you want something with a wide flame. You don't want a really narrow flame. You want to be able to spread it out, and you'll kind of understand why when you watch how we do it. So let's get into what we're going to do today. Look at that difference right there. Pretty impressive. Now the couple pointers before you do this is having a torch with a big wide flame really does help. You want to keep moving it around, never stop in one area and start further away and work your way closer so you don't wind up accidentally burning the plastic. As I mentioned before, always do this outside in a well-ventilated area and somewhere where you either have a hose or a fire extinguisher nearby in case something does happen to go wrong. But anyway, if this video helped you out at all, please give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what other stuff you'd like to see on the channel. And of course, thanks for watching.